gonna play a little game. It's a little game of hanky-poo, because there's 2 for me and 1 for you. Now the point of this game is to follow the black card. Make sure you know exactly where things are. And we'll play $1 a round. Make it easy on you. All you have to do is tell me where the black one is. I did this to somebody before, and the story went like this. They said the card, the black one, was at the bottom. And indeed, it was not. He then said the card was on top. Again, it was not. And he said the black card has to be in the middle. Again, it was not. And he goes, well, then there isn't a black card. Again, the gentleman was wrong. Well, if that's there, then there has to be a red card on top. Indeed, he was wrong again. Well, then there's a red card in the middle. And yet, we have already gone through $6. So I said to him, I tell you what, maybe that was 7. Who knows? He said to me, you're playing with more than 3 cards. I showed him 1. I showed him 2. I showed him 3 plain as day cards. And I made him a little wager. Double or nothing, my friend. I'll show you 1 and I'll show you another. If you can tell me what this card is, the game's over. Of course, it wouldn't have mattered what he said because neither one was the right answer. So this is actually a really old trick. It's a Monte style routine. Now, some of the moves in here I'm not a fan of, but they actually sell something called Card Monte, which would have a special diamond card and a blah blah blah, and it says like $14 or whatever. But this routine is older than that, and I'm just gonna walk you through the motions and you can have some fun with it. So you start out with an extra card, and then you're gonna need 2 cards that are gonna be your main cards. In this case, I'm using an ace of clubs and an ace of diamonds. Now, the thing that I said in the beginning, a little game of hanky-poo, 2 for me, 1 for you, that's an old jig that comes from doing the Monte on the streets, and I just decided to say it because I like it. So you have your 3 cards, and your extra card is going to be on the top. You are going to do a double lift. Now, from a small packet, it's very easy. All you do is pinch the cards out like this, and then just turn it over, and that's it, because you're pushing everything except 1. So you're just pinching that out and turning over. So I show 1 black card, now I peel off 1, I show another black card, and then I show the red card. Now in this, I'm gonna mix them, but not really, because all I want to do is change places. That's where I want to end up. So if you want, you can switch, and then you can switch, and then you come here, and that's it. That's what you want. You want to switch the positions so that the card that you're supposed to have more of is on the bottom. So now you say the card is at the bottom, they say no. Now you're going to do a weird move here, and you're going to pull back the top card. Then you're going to push with your middle finger and thumb both cards, and that's going to align the top and bottom cards like this. And you're gonna pull them out together as one. I don't know why this is a thing. I think it's terrible, but this is the move. So you say it's on top. No, it's not on top. And now you say it's in the middle. You can clearly, freely show that it's not in the middle. And now you do the sequence again. The black card's at the bottom. No. There's gotta be a black one on top. No. So there's a black one in the middle. No. And now you say there's more than 3 cards. You count 3 cleanly. So of course there isn't. You're winning again. And you say, you know what? Let's change the bet. I'll show you these 2 cards. And all you have to do is tell me what that one is. And of course they'll lose because it's the Joker. So that's it. Super old routine. I remember doing this thing a lot in the magic shops and selling a lot of Card Montes to people, you know. So it's one of those things, like when you hear magicians talk about how giving away magic isn't good for magic, but I think selling magic to people who aren't interested is just, it's equal to giving it away. And I used to sell a lot of Card Montes to people who are not doing magic. They just did that trick terribly, and then I never saw them again. So that's about it. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Hope you like the routine. See you guys later. Peace out.
I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly.